Hey, public adjusters, you have 2 years to file claims on Hurricane Ian. Hi, I'm Mike, Director of Claims at Beachfront Claims. With September 28th coming around in a little over a month, it'll be the 2 year mark and the cutoff deadline according to state statute to file new claims. Time is of the essence to get your client's claims in. You can find that state statute in this link here. With hidden damages and unsettled claims, if you need help with your claims process, be on the lookout for the guide for claims process that we will be putting out later this month.